burning oil and gas, Chernobyl-like explosions, huge smoking chambers that poisons the lungs of our Earth like a cigarette. There's a future we are heading towards. This is like it. The temperature, the global warming, will exceed the 2 Celsius warming. The ice caps will melt. The sea levels will rise. There will be soil erosion and extreme weather conditions. The economy of electricity is based on fossilic energy resources. Not only the air is being polluted, smaller countries are being exploited for their oil fields, for example. This comes with war that costs lives. 500,000 people died in Iraq from 2003 to 2011. 1.7 million Iraqi people have migrated from them because of this. We are not just killing each other and ourselves, we are killing the Mother Earth. But let's talk about Hungary from now. We had the opportunity to take a look to this solar panel park. And our team came to realization. The problem is mostly that investors has a lack of interest in investing into green energy and green energy resources and its development. Although the government supports these initiatives, for-profit corporations has these aforementioned systems in their hands. By the way, there's an alternative future where we could head as well, where CO2 neutrality is evident. We are just a little step away from it. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to take this step together? It's a basic fact that humanity needs constant energy supplies, but let's make it green. For instance, the European Union aimed to be CO2 neutral by the end of 2050. Huge statement, right? But it's not impossible. The key is sustainable energy. Norway stated a rock-hard example by reducing its CO2 emission. And they did it, not just aimed for it, but did it. How? They built huge offshore wind power plants, which grants them 4,500 megawatts of energy, of electricity. On the other hand, manufacturers look towards the development of green energy and green power. For instance, according to the study of the California University, they are almost developed a car which has the panels of carbon fiber, which contains micro batteries, and this panel will contain the energy instead of the battery. But what can we do as ordinary people? We must raise awareness. We must call for the help of investors to invest in green technology and its research. We must give the execution and maintenance to green investors and corporations. But it's not just a utopia. It's not just a utopia, it's a possible outcome for us the humanity, and it will take place, it can take place in our future, or our children's future, or their children's future. We must act now, or there will be no other chances. We are just a little step away from it. Thank you.